conventionally be used in any sort of renal impairment. Even in the end-stage renal disease also linagliptin can be used. At any given EGFR it can be used. The only one drug that can be used without dose modification is linagliptin. Like even during dialysis also you can continue linagliptin. During transplant also, and even during post-transplant also, kidney transplant also, you can use linagliptin. That is the only one drug that is. You can see a nice, like you can see the curves, normal, mild, moderate, severe. Insulin degludec has got the equal, it simulates, that's what, simulates the normal human physiological insulin secretion, what goes in our body. So likewise you can see the insulin aspart, see, that also mimics. When put together the ultra long acting basal insulin with the rapid acting insulin aspart, it takes a more physiological insulin pattern, the normal curve that goes on in your real pancreas, that is being simulated with this particular combination of insulin degludec and aspart. And summary is the Indian reality is that people with diabetes in India have high carbohydrate diet and high postprandial glucose levels. We have already discussed. And timely insulin initiation is the need of our. This is the take-home message for all the colleagues, my professional colleagues who are who have logged into this particular webinar. So the timely initiation of insulin is very much required, and we should get rid of that the clinical inertia or the clinician's inertia. Please don't think otherwise. They come out of that inertia, start early, hit hard, so that the majority of the patients in India are not under good glycemic control despite being on multiple oral anti-diabetic drugs. And the two basal and the two basal and the bolus components of insulin degludec and aspart help offer a total control with reduction in both postprandial and fasting plasma glucose. And before concluding, I would like to say some new things which are not yet into the clinician's notice. I would like to say the Novo Nordisk people are making their efforts, relentless endeavors to bring the novel formulations of insulins, the innovative techniques and the innovative preparations of insulins. That is ICODEC. ICODEC is the latest insulin from this Novo Nordisk, which is in the pipeline. The greatest advantage of this basal insulin analog is it is the longest acting the plasma half-life is 196 hours. This is called ICODEC. It has just finished its second phase of clinical trials. So that was announced by the Novo Nordisk people in Denmark. You know, Novo Nordisk is based at Denmark. Any bloody announcement they make it in Denmark only. So they had a press meeting called for, and they released their the phase 2 results they discussed, and it was presented even in the 80th American Diabetes Association scientific sessions this 2020, because it was supposed to be in this particular Chicago. Actually, I was supposed to be in Chicago this month, but because of this COVID pandemic, all the scientific sessions, scientific seminars, another couple of years, I don't think we'll be able to make up anything. Everything is virtual meetings only, like webinars only will be going on. And they have presented this phase 2 clinical trials at the 80th virtual scientific sessions of American Diabetes Association. And that was a randomized, double-blind, double-dummy, treat to target trial, which was done for 26 weeks compared to insulin glargine U100 again. See, once a week has yielded the same results. Once a week ICODEC basal insulin has yielded the similar results to that of the insulin Glargine U100 taken once a day. So that is a very promising this thing from our Novo Nordisk people. And one more thing is Dr. Julio Rosenstock. Dr. Julio Rosenstock is the lead trial investigator for this insulin icodec. He is the clinical professor of medicine and endocrinology in the US. He was literally shocked by the results. So he said it was an amazing result to see that okay, once a week. I never expected that once a week such a long acting basal insulin would come when I am alive. He said that was the word from Dr. Professor Julio, who is the lead trial investigator. So with this, this thing, this was added. This particular icodec was added to the patients, insulin naive patients, 297 naive patients in that clinical trial, so have not taken insulin in their life. The patients were either on metformin and DPP4 or only metformin. Those patients were selected and they were put on this icodec for a period of 26 weeks, and phase 2 is successfully completed. The results are quite satisfying, and probably in the later half, that is this particular the 6 months, the 6 months is over and 6 months is remaining. From tomorrow it's July, so the later half they are going for phase 3 clinical trials. So with this, I conclude by saying thank you so much for your patient listening, and I thank Mr. Praveen from Novo Nordisk, the boys, my boys, the Novo Nordisk Army, Hamid and Syed, and for giving me an opportunity to be a speaker in this webinar program. And I thank all the participants for a very patient listening. Any questions and answers are most welcome. We'll take it up at the end after the second lecture by Dr. Sipuri Tirumala Devi, again an endocrinologist. She is my wife only. She will take the second part of the session. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your views, insights, and opinion based on your clinical practice toward the presentation. And we are very much delighted to hear that the update about icodec as well.
Yeah. Say, I update myself and I update, keep teaching. See, Praveen, teaching is a passion. I am doing it for the last 20 years. I'll do it until and more than that, learning is the happiest thing. I remain a lifetime student and I remain a lifetime teacher as well.
So these are golden words for all of us, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much for your kind introduction.
Crystal clear to all the participants.
Yeah, because I don't just pertain to slides, Praveen. Beyond slides, I go and I keep detailing the things.
Yeah, that really make the presentation more interesting.
Thank you so much for your valuable feedback, and thank you for the introduction and the feedback. Thank you so much, Praveen. I'm much delighted to be associated with Novo Nordisk.
We have Dr. Sipuri Tirumala Devi ma'am. In fact, the helping hand to the Dr. Saab and the helping hand even for the success behind Dr. Saab, I would say.
Absolutely, yes. She is not my wife. She is something like a 360-degree Wi-Fi. Okay.
Yeah, I to present her live case on Rhizodec. Yes, Hamid, if you can help ma'am to present her slides.